Hello friends, today we have come out with a very special offer for CA Final Students Group. This is the combo offer for CA Final Group 2 new course, and we have the following renowned faculties on this Group 2 combo. The first combo I have prepared is of elective subject which I have recorded. There are 3 elective options available. You can either take risk management, GFRS or FSCM, and costing or what you call SCM PE will be taken by CA Vinod Reddy, IDT by one of the best faculties for IDT CA Aankit Kumar Jain, and for DT we have Subodh Shah sir in this combo number 1, and here the price is only rupees 20,000. It will include GST also, and we will also provide you hard copy of the books. So this is the lowest combination for group 2 that you will ever find, and all are the best faculties. The second combo consists of elective paper. I will be taking elective paper, costing Vinod Reddy sir, IDT Aankit Kumar Jain sir, and here DT will be CA Bhanwar Borana, a very good faculty for DT. So this combination will cost you only rupees 25,000, and I don't think you can get a better deal than this. All good faculties, 1 year validity, Google Drive, hard copy of the books, GST included, home delivery of all these products. The third combo is where the costing faculty would be CA Rakesh Agarwal, IDT faculty Aankit Jain, DT faculty Subodh Shah sir. This combination is for 25,000 rupees all inclusive. It's a Google Drive option. If you want pen drive, please make a request. We will add the price of the pen drive in the combo. And the fourth combination is again one of the best combos that you can get at this price, is costing by Rakesh Agarwal sir, DT by Bhanwar Borana sir, IDT by Aankit Jain sir, and this will be 30,000 rupees. It will include Google Drive and 1 year validity, hard copy of the books, GST included, home delivery of all these products. So please take the benefit of this opportunity. It is for a very limited period, and this offer will not come again. If you buy this combo separately, which you see on the screen, it might cost you around 45 to 50,000 rupees separately, but we are giving you only for 30,000 rupees. The objective is to provide the best quality faculty to the students at the lowest possible price. We have talked to this faculty, we have convinced them that please help our students, and they have agreed for a lower price. Thank you all of you, these faculties. So you will get the notes in the hard copy form and the lectures in Google Drive form. As I said, pen drive can be purchased by paying some extra amount. If you have any query, if you want any other combination, if you want any other combo with other faculties, please send your request on our mail ID asfoundation1@gmail.com or hello@vino.in. You can place your order on our portal www.vino.in or asfoundation.co.in. Please call us for any query on these numbers on the screen, and we will be very happy to help you. If you want any other faculty, any other combo at the lowest possible price, I am sure I will be able to provide it to you. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best, and please share this video with your other friends also. There will be a lot of students who are need for such good faculties at the lowest possible price. These are all recently recorded lectures, updated lectures, and will meet your requirement for January or May or November 2021 exams. Thank you very much, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel also. Thank you.